Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens. In today's tutorial, this will be an introduction on what is Sublime Text Editor. So if you were not aware already, Sublime Text is a powerful and sophisticated code editor with a Python application programming interface. It works across multiple platforms including Windows, macOS, and Linux. The software itself is actually written in two languages, C++ and Python, and as of 2019 is the third most popular code editor. So it's definitely well worth learning. That is all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for the next video where I'll walk you through the nuances with setting up Sublime Text. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.